Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to calculate the correct inverter size for your home based on your electrical load. Whether you are installing a solar system or a backup inverter, this method is simple, useful and beginner friendly. So let's start. Make a list of your appliances. Start by listing all the appliances you want to run on the inverter. For example, you have 4 LED bulbs, 40 watt, 2 fans 140 watt, 1 TV 100 watt, 1 Wi-Fi router 20 watt, 2 mobile chargers 40 watt. So the total load is 340 watt. Now add a safety margin 20 to 30%. Inverters need a safety margin to handle extra load during appliances starting or future editions. So let's add 30% for safety. 340 watt multiplied by 1.3, so the answer becomes 442 watt. Convert watts to VA. Inverter are rated in VA, volt ampere. Now use this formula. VA is equal to watt divided by power factor. Let's assume power factor is 0.7, common for homes. So for the values in formula, VA is equal to 442 divided by 0.7. So the answer becomes 631 volt ampere. Round up to the nearest inverter size. Always round up to the next available inverter size. So choose a 900 VA or 1000 VA inverter. Another example. Let's say your total load is bit more. Total load 800 watt. Add 30% margin. 800 multiplied by 1.3. So the answer becomes 1040 watt. So 1040 watt divided by 0.7. The answer becomes 1485 VA. So you will need a 1.5 kVA or 2 kVA inverter. And don't forget, your battery size must match your inverter capacity for best performance and backup time. So now you know how to calculate the right inverter size for your home or solar setup. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.